Now you're watching this transmitter anechoic chamber in operation. We've connected the stepper motor with the base of the antenna rotator. This is a low RCS with a low dielectric constant material being used for antenna mounting so as to minimally disturb the near field of the given antenna under test. We have provided with a low loss SMA cable which is mounted at the base of the antenna rotator using a flexible joint. The antenna is mounted on an N connector. We have provided with a removable SMA to N connector which can be serviced. We've also mounted a dual ridged horn antenna at the center of the anechoic receiving chamber. This is a 2 to 18 gigahertz dual ridged horn with a linear polarization. Right now it is connected in the vertical plane of polarization. We're also providing a polarization adapter which can be used to rotate the polarization plane from the present vertical to the horizontal plane. It's very easily done by the user. The motor at the base can be rotated with the stepper motor controller provided. You can see right now it is displaying 0 degrees and it is showing slow as the speed of the motor and CW as the clockwise mode of the rotation of the antenna, and 5 degree is the step being selected for rotation of the motor. We can rotate the antenna rotator in steps of 1 or 5 degrees as when desired, and this SMA cable can be connected to a vector network analyzer or the power meter or spectrum analyzer to plot the antenna patterns. As you can see, by the use of aluminium panel at the backing, we are able to achieve a very good shielding efficiency right up till 40 gigahertz, which allows the chamber to be used for RCS as well as EMI EMC measurements.